guys. So I just make slime. Okay, but this is not edible. So this is slime. See, this is slime. I'm gonna eat it. 3. I'm just gonna finish it. 3, 2, 4. I don't like it, but in December 30, I will be gonna do a challenge, team spicy challenge, Korean challenge. Nah, birthday. So fast later. Yeah. One sticky now. I'm gonna wash it. Guys, make sure to leave, subscribe, and like. Feel free to comment or post it. Make sure to subscribe. And my birthday is coming up. It's December 2. My birthday is December 30. I'm gonna vlog in the SM. I'm gonna buy choice Swahili challenge, spicy noodles, and then I think kasama yung slime. Chopsticks, slime, and then that's all. We're gonna make Pizza Hut. And tomorrow, bye. Guys, tomorrow, bye. Bye. Just kidding, I'm not saying goodbye. This is my here in Toronto. This is my hidden talent. Look.
We should never assume friendship over love. And it takes sometimes our misconceptions about love may lead us to not so very good things.
See you tomorrow. Bye.